The final part of the control panel are the devices that control and monitor the mechanical process. Let's talk about the PLC, or Programmable Logic Controller. The PLC is like the brain of the entire process. The PLC will have a CPU where the logic program is stored. It will have associated inputs and outputs, which will help control and monitor the assembly line. Speaking of our terminal blocks, we will have wires running from them to our inputs and outputs. This allows for the actual control of the assembly line. Field devices, such as proximity switches, photo eyes, and other sensors, are set up on the assembly line to give the feedback needed for the PLC to control the operation of the line.